Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how to put multiple Gmail accounts in one unified inbox on your phone. So this is on my Nothing Android mobile. I have Gmail app installed on my mobile. In order to put multiple accounts in one unified inbox, it is very easy. This is the latest feature from the Gmail. So you need to tap on the Gmail, and then at the right top corner click on this profile picture, and if you want to add another email, just click on add another email. So I'm assuming you have already added one more email, so that you will see all the emails from different email accounts in one unified this one. The next thing you need to do is you need to click on these three horizontal lines at the left top corner. Then right at the starting you'll see something like all inboxes. Here all inboxes, tap on that. So as soon as you tap on that, you'll see all the emails from different senders will be aligned in one view. Okay, as soon as I click this all inboxes, now it is showing like all inboxes here at the top. So here are the list of emails from both the accounts, not only from this which is currently showing it at the top, but also from this account which is combinedly showing up here. So you can just open like any other email and you can read that email. When you want to compose, you can click on the compose. The compose is also same. You can click on this drop down and change the email IDs. Okay, simple. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.